Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's make cat finger rings using craft paper. Look how pretty these are looking. So take a square paper and make multiple folds. Open it, flip it and again fold it. Make triangular shape, again flip it and we are going to pull the paper downwards. Now make a very mini strip like this. First we will get this heart shape. Now we are going to tuck the paper and make the ring. Draw the face of the cat and look, it's ready. We're going to fold this paper from its corners in triangular shape. Open it and again fold it from its horizontal and vertical position. Now we're going to put the paper inside like this, spread it and we're going to squeeze it and make a small box like this. And look, it's done. Now we're going to put it inside from its sides. Here we're going to make the handles of the bag. So take this mini strip of paper, make multiple folds and paste it on the top of the bag and look, your mini bag is ready. We are going to take this brown color of paper and fold it into half. Now we are going to make multiple folds like we are doing here. After this, open all of them. We are going to make the crease here. Press it gently and pull the paper downward from both directions. Similar way, we are going to fold it like this. Now we are again folding it from its side as well in triangular shape and again flip it and fold it from its top section as well. Here we are going to make multiple pleats for the feathers. Now we are going to again fold it like this and fold it into half like we are doing here, and look, your feathers are ready. Now we are going to make the front part of the bird. So we are going to open the paper and fold it and your beak is ready. Similar way, make the legs and look, it is done. We're going to fold this yellow craft paper from its side, flip it and again fold it like this. Now we're going to fold it into half and make a space using fingers and press it like we're doing here, and do the same from other side as well. After this, we're going to fold it from both its corners and open it like we're doing here. Now we're going to make the head of the bird, so fold it like we're doing here. Now we're going to press it from both sides and pull it downwards. After this, we're going to give shape to the wings of the birds, so we are going to pull it downwards like this. Gently open it and look, the space is ready. Now we are going to fold it from its top and bottom like this and make multiple pleats on the wings like this from both its sides, and look, your beautiful bird container is ready. We're going to make this beautiful bow shaped ring using craft paper. So we are going to take this small strip of pink craft paper. You can take whatever color you like. Now fold it into half. After this, we're going to fold it from its center part and pull it upwards like this and make many folds as well. Here we're going to make a bow shape. So gently open it like this. Now again, we're going to make folds from its corner and look, your bow shape is ready. After this, we're going to make fold and make a very thin strip like this, and look, it's ready. After this, we're going to roll it and tuck the paper inside, and look, your ring is ready. You can make more such colorful rings. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends.